Hello everyone. My name is Harsh Mathankar, first year electrical branch, Ujjain Engineering College. Today I will be talking to Rahul Singh Thakur sir on behalf of UEC News. In this situation where economy is severely affected by coronavirus and it is difficult to find a job, people are losing their job. In this time also, Rahul Singh Thakur sir is able to get the highest package in our college this year. So first of all, the my warmest congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, I would like to know that what was your reaction when you come to know about the result, and who was the first person you told about that you are placed?
When I heard about the offer and the package they were offering me, I was really happy about it. And the first thing I did was to tell my grandma and my family about the package that they are offered me and the position for the developer in that company. So we were really happy that day and we celebrated. And I think the hard work that I put in during my internship paid off while looking for the actual full-time job.
Also, sir,
So that was the
internship was the played important role in your placement, sir. Am I right?
yeah, right.
Yeah, sir, we will talk it about later. Sir, please tell us about your journey when you came to UAC from day one till now. So, what changes you felt that this college had made in you that what you have learned about life, sir?
When I joined the UEC, like everyone, I was also not very happy with the college that I got, and I had to accept what I got and had to move forward with it. So my first year was really like I was just accepting what I got and trying to understand how to you know get on with this college and how the system works here, because it was totally different experience to me. And uh, when I joined the UEC, there was no external activities, and it was like all about just coming to college, attending classes, and just going home, and nothing much. But as soon as we moved to second year, third year, college started evolving in a way, new faculties started coming, and they were much better than what they were before, right? And the education quality also started getting better and better each year. And as soon as I reached the second and third year, right, the external activities that were happening in our college also started happening, the exception started happening, and that was a great initiative to you know
So, sir, you
do
were
in our
involved in
college.
such
And
activities, right? You were involved in the
yeah,
activities like
totally,
this. So, what were those activities
yeah,
and
yeah, I was.
how it improved your profile, sir?
Yeah, basically, when we organized the exception and I was in third year, I was the part of the technical team which managed the workshop that were happening in our college. So basically managing those workshop and communicating with the faculties or the speakers who are coming to our
Right.
college to give some introduction and topics and some speech related to those topics. So that was a very good thing, and it really helped me connecting with people, how to talk to people, and how to manage things. So basically when you get
Yes.
a job and you start working really, so these are the things that basically helps you, like how you manage things, how you work with a team, and how you communicate with people. So these are the very basic thing you need to know if you are starting a job anywhere, right?
Sir, I would like to know that what are the skills you have developed in these 4 years, and what are the skills you developed in these 4 years, and because about when we talk about the job or placement, the skills are most important.
Right. So when we talk about the placement and jobs, right? The basic skill that you need to have is how to talk to people, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You need to know like how to communicate, how to transfer your ideas to anyone, right? The second thing is how you actually implement those skills that you have learned through your past experiences, past years that you have worked on. And if you are trying for an IT job, right, in IT sector and a software developer job, you need to at least know one programming language, and you need to be through with it. Like you need to know everything about it, because if you say that you know a programming language, you should know a programming language.
So,
It
sir,
should not
this
like you
language,
just know the basic syntax and then you say like I know this.
sir. So, this you are saying that programming language. So this was involved in syllabus, or you have done from learned it from somewhere else.
See, like programming languages are included in our curriculum, right? Like C,
Yeah.
C++ is included, Java is included. So yeah, these three languages are taught in our college. So there are many jobs related to these as well. But what the market now is, our college is not teaching that actually. So market actually is filled with the jobs of MERN stack, JavaScript job, Node.js developer job, React job, and our college don't have these technologies or these things to be taught in our college. And I think people need to know like what the job market actually want from the student or the developer, and what they are being taught in our college, right? So I'll say
Yeah.
knowing C++, Java is a good thing, but you should actually know what the market wants, and you should focus on those things.
So, sir, how you learn these things when the what the market want was not taught in our college? How you learn those things?
See, like uh, in the second year, I actually doing programming. So I was not sure how to move forward with it. So on discussing with my seniors and my friends, I started going to Thinking Machines. You might have heard about it.
Hmm.
So um, so I started there learning programming, and like it was a really great experience. If you really want to know the depth of programming, what the actual concepts are, and not just go through the upper layer of the programming, then you should definitely go there. You should learn the basic thing about the programming from there, because Calculus will actually teach you like common sense and how to develop logic, and not just any programming language and mug those things up.
Sir, you told that internship played important role in your placement. So, sir, tell us about, tell everyone how important internship and working on different projects is.
Yeah, so see, like when you interview at a company, right, they'll be looking at the projects that you have developed or the internships that you have done. So even if you don't have any projects in your resume, but you
Hmm.
have some internships, so these things plays very important role, because they will not be asking you to you know uh, any concept of C, C++ or Python. They'll be asking you what you have used these things to develop something, and what was the project, and what was the problem you faced in those projects, and how you resolved them. Because they don't want you to just code, they want you to solve their problems, and how you are solving their problems and how you are able to tackle any problem that's they want. So developing projects is and working on internship basically helps you to come across many problems, and when you solve those, you learn like next time you encounter these problems, you will be able to solve them very quickly. So company needs those things. So basically internship lets you develop skills on how you solve problems at the industry level.
So, how were you able to get that this amazing internship of Canada-based company? You internship.
Basically, like I applied through various platforms. I applied through AngelList, I applied through Monster, I applied through Intersala. But basically the problem with the Interstellar and other platforms is that they are overcrowded, and like
Yes.
they receive so many applications that you basically have no chance of getting the internship from there, if you are from tier 3 college, right? Just like our college. So basically, if you want a good internship, I'll suggest to apply for the internship from AngelList and Monster, because these are the platform where you will definitely receive a response within like 1 week or 2 week. Because I when I applied through those platform, I basically received like 10 to 15 responses from different companies, and I interviewed
Oh,
all of them, and I was like able to get internships in like most of them. But I chose this one because they were paying the highest, and they have the broad idea of what they are going to work in the future. So I chose to work here.
sir, students like me, like I am from electrical branch. What message you would like to give? Like many of us want to get into computer science field, but they were not able to get into this field because they had low score due to different reasons, sir. So what are the opportunities for the student from different branches in computer science field?
Yeah, I mean, like if you are going for IT job, they'll not be looking for your branch. They'll be looking for your projects that you have developed. So I'll say, if even if you are in civil, electrical or mechanical, if you love coding, then you should start with it right now. You shouldn't wait any longer. Like some people think like they'll start working in fourth year, or they'll learn programming in fourth year for the jobs, and they just waste their time of the second year, third year, first year.
Yes.
So I'll say, if you love programming and if you want to get into the IT jobs, then you should definitely start learning programming. You should start solving questions in HackerRank or LeetCode to develop problem solving skills, because those are the platform where you will learn to solve the programming problems, and that will help you develop the logic solving, problem solving skills, and
Yes.
develop logic. And once you have developed those skills, you will be able to implement those things in developing projects. So I'll say, you could start doing the programming right now. And if you are motivated enough and you really want to go into that field only, I'll suggest to start with the course of Praful Kelkar sir, going to Thinking Machine. Start with like basic C course, and then move forward with Java, Python, if you are willing to learn those programming languages as well. So yeah.
So basically, sir, at the time of placement, it doesn't matter which branch you are from, but what skills you have, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Like when you apply for a company, right? When you list out the projects that you have developed in your uh, 4 year college life, right? Or if you show like these are the skills that you have: C, Python, JavaScript, Java, or if you have worked on with any frameworks, then you can list them out. When you list out the project, you can add your GitHub link there. So that will help the recruiter to go to your GitHub link, look at your code, and if they find you are a good candidate, they'll just ignore like which branch you are from. If you have those skills, they'll hire you. It doesn't matter you are from civil, electrical or mechanical.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you for very this advices, sir. Sir, at last, I would like to ask you the advice, sir, to motivate the students like me to for studies where we have to study in online in this pandemic situation, sir. How to keep ourselves motivated in this pandemic situation?
See, being motivated is like individual mindset, and I'll say like, if you want to be like successful after the 4 year, and if you want your parents to be proud and think like, yeah, my child is not like other graduates who graduated from the college and still didn't get job, and they're sitting in their home for like 2 years after being passing out from college.
Yeah.
I'll say, just coding is the best skill you can learn in your college, and there are massive jobs, massive. If you just invest like 2 to 3 hours a day, you will definitely get a job. That's a guarantee. So I mean, everyone should learn programming in my knowledge. Like everyone should learn at least one programming language. They'll just get into like how to solve problem, how to write code, and once they do that, like if they have interest in that, they can move forward and learn new things. Like today's market basically want stack developers. Like they want developers to know React, they want developers to know Node.js. So these skills are really helpful in getting a job nowadays. And I'll say like uh, if you love programming, you will definitely get a job. Don't worry about it. So getting a placement with just your own skill is the best part. Like I didn't really relied on college at all. I didn't interviewed any company that our college got this year. Like I didn't interviewed in any one of them. So I'll say if I can do it off campus, anyone can do it. You just need to be focused and like mentally prepared to be, code daily.
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you very much, sir, for giving us your valuable time. Sir, thank you very much, and congratulations again for your achievement, and best of luck for your future, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
बने रहिए हमारे साथ, देखते रहिए यूईसी न्यूज रोजाना।